in Malaysia as well.
Yeah.
And that is testament to what we have the skills currently available in Malaysia.
Hi everyone, great to be back doing demos in a mall since COVID. So today I'm going to show you how to use this machine. Firstly, we're going to do 2 dishes in one pot at one go. And then the other one, we're going to do 2 types of cooking in one pot. So first one, I'm going to do Hainanese chicken. So what we're going to do, we're going to boil the rice, together steam the chicken in one pot at one go. Then we will move to the second pot. We're going to roast the whole chicken, this whole chicken. And we're going to put in roots vegetable together. We're going to steam it and then we're going to roast it. And because it is a pressure cooker, the time has shortened more than half than your conventional oven. Oyster sauce. Soya sauce. Sesame oil. By the way, I will post it on my group. Join my group, then you get the recipe. Yeah. Sesame oil. Pepper.
Sidney, would you normally marinate this chicken overnight, or would you like give it a few hours beforehand if you don't have the time?
Minimum half an hour.
Okay.
If you can do a day before. Yeah.
Okay. And that is just, for all the flavors to absorb and to make your chicken as delicious as possible as well.
My chicken is white, not the yellow type. You know why sometimes you go out and eat, your chicken skin are yellow? It's not actually kampung chicken. The seller of the shop will say, oh, I'm selling kampung chicken, you pay more. What they use Chinese medicine dye, a kind of spice. Yep. You can go to the Sunday shop, you buy a Chinese medical hall, you sell like a nut. So you break the nut, you put in the water, you boil it, then you put the whole chicken inside, then your chicken will become yellow. Okay? Not turmeric. If you put turmeric to color your chicken skin, then the water cannot drink. So the spices that they use is on your chrysanthemum tea. Do you know why your chrysanthemum tea is so fragrant? Because they added the spice into your chrysanthemum tea. Right, got this marinated. Here I got 2 cups of basmati rice. What you do, you wash. Here I cannot wash. So
Water, that's the water.
as you usually cook your rice, just rice, 1 part water, 1 part rice. Okay?
So it would apply the same as well if you were to pressure cook your rice in our OP300.
Yes, the same.
Okay. Ready to eat in 2 minutes. So for example, if you're all here today and you're rushing home, and by the time you get home it's after work traffic time and you still have to cook for your family but you have not had anything ready, I think this would be like the perfect solution for you all in one pot. The meal can be done in how long, Sidney?
You mean just the rice or the whole chicken?
The rice and the chicken.
I usually use 6 minutes to cook the rice.
6 minutes.
Ninja said 3 minutes. From my experience, I always worry that the rice may half cook. So 6 minutes is the safest. Yeah, 6 minutes and rest for 10 minutes. That means you let it rest. Then you open. Okay?
So essentially you can have rice ready in 15 minutes. And your
Lemongrass.
And this is for the rice or?
The rice.
Okay. And it will give it a lot of fragrance and good smells and make it extra delicious.
Yep.
Rice and water, and Sidney's gonna put in some.
So I just want to boil it. I press the saute mode just to heat it up. Just put on the ginger, lemongrass, so hot. So you can put your panda in.
So Sidney, can you maybe tell us why you're putting it on saute mode on high first?
I just want to boil the water.
Okay. And to let all the fragrance out from all the spices in there, right?
Yep. So what I use the wire net. So I use that this way. Now, if some of you saw what I do with my pizza, thin pizza, I use this way. It's nearer to the air fryer. So I want this to be down. Like that. What I do, put my chicken. Yep. This is the pressure cover. This is the air fryer cover. Yep. You can. This is the Hainanese chicken oil mix. So I shut it, make sure the knob is closed. And I change this to pressure. I set to 6 minutes. And then I do the miracle.
It's done cooking. Chicken is going on in there.